Okay, here we are. Here we go. Yeah. On the bus. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So something to be aware of if you're vertically enhanced, the shoulder bolsters on these seats are at your shoulders. So if the seat's not leaned back, it's literally pressing into my shoulder blades. So I have to recline in order to get it down to a reasonable level. So an hour and a half into the trip, we're finally on the outskirts of town. Bring earplugs because they show movies on the overhead screens and the sound is just played through speakers. You know, after 2 months in the city, it's easy to remember that or easy to forget that most of the country actually looks like this. If you're 6'2" and you're in the window seat, you're not watching the movie. A little glimpse of the Andes through the trees there, and the birds have something to say. They're all pretty happy about it being morning, apparently.
Los que pasen de referencia quieren ir a Salto de ir a Santiago si lo quieren ocupar. Si no, una vez que terminen el tráfico.
Look, there's still snow. That's crazy, considering it's almost the end of December.
Yeah, but it's going into their summer.
Right. Yeah, I know.
Any idea what our altitude is here?
I do not know our altitude here. I was going to look it up. I feel like it was 9,000 and something,
Okay.
but I don't know for sure.
Feels about right.
But this is the Customs and Immigration Station Los Libertadores in the pass in the Andes. But I guess it's worth pointing out, as she said, that where are we?
We're in the Andes.
We are officially into Chile now, I guess, since we've gone through immigration control,
Yeah,
passport control.
We're in Chile now.
We're in Chile.
Chile.
Foreign country number 9 for this year?
No.
Yes.
9 for this year?
10th country we visited in 2024, the 9th aside from the US.
Okay.
Feels like more.
I was gonna say, I think we're higher.
I don't think we are, because we've stayed a month or two in so many.
January we were in.
We left Panama in January for Costa Rica,
Uh-huh.
to Portugal,
Uh-huh.
to Spain,
Uh-huh.
to France,
Uh-huh.
to England,
Uh-huh.
to Canada,
Uh-huh.
to the US,
Uh-huh.
to Argentina,
Uh-huh.
to Chile.